Material: glass. Color: pink. Quantity: 2 pcs. Size: approximately 40 by 40 mm, 1.57 by 1.57 inch. Capacity: 10 milliliters. This Dappen dish can be used for mixing acrylic nail liquid, powder and other liquids, perfect for doing nails or cleaning up the nail area with the brush. Small size, but strong and durable, beautiful and exquisite. The liquid can not easily spilled over, suitable for fine nail artwork. Easy to clean and easy to use, suitable for professional, nail salon, nail art school, college, nail art artist and personal home use. Made of glass material, portable and durable for long-lasting use. With lid design, beautiful and exquisite, perfect for nail art wrok. It's easy to clean and easy to use. Perfect for gel polish cleanup to remove gel from around your nail or regular polish. Top reviews from the United States. Adorable. I wanted something to put gold and silver leaf in, and these jars are the perfect size and they are just super cute.